my channel. It's your girl Blended BeautyLou. Hope all is well with everyone on today. In today's video, I want to show you guys my process of styling my short tapered haircuts. I've been rocking this cut since January and I've really been loving it. I cut my hair just due to my curls not cooperating, and I just wanted a fresh start and I really am loving it. So I'm going to show you the process that I do of getting my curls popping on my short tapered style, and then the products that I use. So let's get into it. Let's get started. I first start off spraying my hair using my spray bottle. It's filled just with water. I like to evenly coat my hair with my water. I like to make sure I have a lot of moisture in my hair when I'm styling. And it's always best to work on soaking wet hair. So we're just going to spray and we're going to massage it in. Next up, we're going to go in with my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. This is one of my favorite conditioners from Shea Moisture. It also gives my curls a lot of moisture and definition. So I apply that in my hair. I tend to get a good amount. I'm heavy-handed with products. So we're just going to work that in and massage it in. Plus, I love the way this smells. I'm not a big person that's big on coconut, but I really love the smell of this conditioner and also the Shea Moisture Curling Hands and Smoothie. Those are some good products. So I'm just working it all in, making sure it's soaking into my hair, getting a little bit more. I'm running out, so I need to get some more. The second step is we're going to apply Camille Rose Naturals Curl Maker Styling Gel. This is my all-time favorite gel. I go through these bottles like crazy, so I tend to stock up on them when I can. So we're going to apply some to the hair. And once you start working it in, you can immediately start seeing my curls start to form. That's what I love about this gel. So much definition, and this gel also gives you moisture to your hair as well. Today I'm going to apply a little more to my hands and continue to work that through my hair. Now that I've got it evenly coated or to my liking, I'm going to go in with my Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Elongating Jelly. I like to apply it to the sides of my hair just to have my sides lay down, and also in the front part of my hair because where it tends to be a little bit unruly. So I use this for more of an extra slick look. And then I'm going to take my brush that I'm going to use to brush the back of my hair and also my sides down. And once I have it laid down to my liking, I then go in with my neck. It's a kind of like a necktie. They use it a lot in the barbershops, but I like to use them to mold my hair in place. You can also use it, when you're doing finger waves in your hair or anything like that. Any style that you want to lay flat onto your head, these are good for. This is what those are good for. So I'm just gonna tie it around to the front. And it's a very stretchy material, so I do like that about it. So just be careful though when you are tying it, so you don't pull it too tight because it can rip. And I'm just going to take a second one just to even get it more laid. kind of overlap it and put that one onto the next one that I just tied. Onto the first one I just tied. Alright, so everything's in place. So then after that I will send it under my hooded dryer. It's probably for about maybe 20 to 30 minutes so I feel like my hair is fully dry. During this time I like to, read a book. Catch up on some reading. That's what I've been doing during my quarantining. Now that it's dry, we're going to remove the wrap from my hair. And there you have it. Everything is slicked down. Don't mind the little part in front of my head where my cowlick is right there. But yes, for the most part, I'm liking it, except for that part. But yes, this is how I get my hair styled and ready for the day. I do this routine every day. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm loving it. My curls are popping, my sides are laid. I'm gonna turn around to the back so you can see what it's looking like. I do need a cut, so don't be judging your girl. So here we go. So yes, so this is how I style my hair. I really enjoy doing it. I really love the way it comes out. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe for your girl, and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I post another new video. Hope you guys have a good day.